比利时媳妇挑战随机抽食材，做一顿盲盒晚餐。
最近我老婆不知道做啥菜，然后我弄了个盲盒给她，里边有不同的纸条，每个纸条对应一个食材，随机抽5张做今天的晚饭。第一个
crab
螃蟹
onion
番茄萝卜最后一个
beef
牛肉转了一把。现在我们去超市买菜。
So laten we de supermarket. This tomato doesn't say how much or which color,
No，
so I can take whatever I want. 3 tomato.
大番茄。
Yeah.
这边是卖螃蟹的，这闸蟹还挺大的 ，looks big。
Yeah, that's why I want it.
Really？
Yeah. Otherwise, you don't have too much meat. I want to suck the pulp.
Are you sure?
这个太贵了 ，too expensive。
Really? I picked it from the mystery box. Lucky I didn't write king crab. Oh yeah. It's crazy actually. You can always have king crab here in China. In Belgium, you always need to pre-order it. It's 3 times double the price, and here they also cut it for you.
回家。
Oh yeah. This is getting so warm. I think I'm gonna take this off upstairs quickly. This breeze feels so comfortable. I don't even feel it blowing directly to my face.
这不是天越来越热了吗？我特意给你和宝宝换的卡萨帝恒温空调星越套系，用着特舒服。它的 AI 之眼能感应人在哪儿，人走近了会自动防直吹，没人的时候还会自动节能关机呢。而且它吹的风柔柔软软的，全屋温度都匀乎，宝宝满地爬也不会忽冷忽热的。咱宝宝还小，这个母婴级的滤网连民宝都特别适合。零部件还都是全铜的，用的久还环保，特别适合咱们家。
This Casati machine is amazing. My summer will be safe now.
现在凉快了，该好好做饭了。
Need to get rid of the peel because otherwise it's not tasty in your dish.
今天完全是凭手感自己做的。
Fresh carrot and tomato. Concentrated tomato. 2 beef roast cubes.
Looks good 。
Yeah, look. It's like hot pot with the beef cubes.
番茄牛肉骨汤，
Oh, very delicious. Prepare for the second dish.
正好一小锅。
10 minutes.
苏州这边没有啥海鲜，已经好久没有吃了。
Delicious pearl.
还有我老婆特制的酱料，瞬间感觉高级了。
Okay. This one's a big piece.
这玩意儿是真鲜呢，
Sounds awesome.
再让酱油更鲜。骨汤，
Best.
我立马。
Oh, I can eat this maybe all day.
No
But
no。
that's too expensive. Maybe once per year. I think we can do the mystery box dishes more in the future. It's fun actually. Because I sometimes don't know what to buy and then I can just pick it out and I have to do it with that.
给小莫也吃点残羹剩饭。
咪咪好吃吗？